So, hello po. This is my video presentation for Activity 1, Filtering Locations. So, ang kailangan daw po is set valid locations. Number 2, define location filtering function. Number 3, check for location parameter and filter job listings. And last is to display job listings. So, punta tayo sa code. So, dito tayo sa code ng location. So, i-define natin yung mga locations. Una, i-define natin yung mga location. Which is, may mga location ako doon na Philippines, New York, Seattle, San Francisco, and Chicago. So, yan pong mga location na yan is ang kasali dun sa mga job listings na locations natin dun sa browser. So, ngayon, dito naman tayo sa, this line is to define the location filtering function. Ito po, gamit itong name na to, filter listing by location, is ma-filter yung listings ng location, gamit ang dalawang parameters na to, is ma-filter niya kung ano yung hanapin nating country, kung Philippines ba or San Francisco or ganyan. So this is to initialize an array to hold the filtered listings. Ito po yung mag-hold ng na-filter nating listings, kung ano ba yung country yun, kung Philippines ba yung filter ta or bako. And so this line is to convert the provided location to lowercase for case sensitive comparison. So ang ibig sabihin po nun is to convert the string to lowercase. Ayan po. Next is to iterate through each job listing. So this function is for iteration. I-iterate niya yung mga location, which is kung yung number 1 kunyari, yung job listing 1 is to Philippines, yung next is San Francisco, mangyayari, mag-i-stop siya doon sa Francisco mag-iterate. So, magko-continue siya mag-iterate sa sunod na job listing, which is, kunyari, yung pangatlo is Philippines ulit. So, continue siya doon mag-iterate. So, this line is to return the filtered listings. Okay. Next is to check the location parameter is set in URL. So this function is to check niya po yung location kung ano na po nakaset na po siya is in the URL. Ayan. So I set, ito po yung ano na yaset niya po, ito po yung yaset. I-get natin yung location, and ayan. So this next line is to filter the listings by the specified location. So ayan, dito na mag-display kung ano yung napiling location na gustong i-filter. Ayan, ito po yan. Ayun, continue tayo dito sa filtering location. So, makikita nyo dito sa mga job listings is marami tayong country. Meron tayong New York, Chicago, Philippines. And yung Philippines is local, syempre. So, ngayon, para mangyari yung function na filter location, kailangan natin type yung location. Location equals to Philippines. Kunyari Philippines yung hanapin natin. Automatically lalabas dyan lahat ng Philippines na location na job listings. So kunyari gusto naman natin hanapin Chicago. So lalabas din dyan yung Chicago. Ayan. So that will be all for my video presentation. Thank you.